Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto and they also call me Tips with Dave. But guess what? Today we're going to be talking about Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. So if you are interested in learning how to make money with Warrior Plus, and this is going to be an initial tutorial for you guys. In this video, I'm specifically going to be talking about how you can track your sales and track your conversions, because that's one of the most important things also, as along with traffic generation as an affiliate marketer, that we need to do. We need to track where the sales are coming from, what's happening, and how can you actually do that with Warrior Plus. So I had this question when I got started because I wanted to track it. And I know that Warrior Plus has a great platform. It's a great, affiliate marketing network, but I did not know how to track it. So I wanted to make this video to share with you guys what I have learned as well. And these are educational videos. This whole channel is about affiliate marketing, teaching you guys and giving you the skill sets and the tips and the tricks on how you can start to generate commissions as a side hustle for yourself, as the main hustle for yourself, and along the way in my journey with affiliate marketing as well. So links are in the description to everything that I'm going to be talking about. And more than anything else, guys, if you like this kind of educational content, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified for future videos. I'm also going to leave a link to my Facebook group in the description. And then, guys, the Facebook group that I have is all about teaching you guys this whole process. I have a whole guide section where I not only go through the basics of affiliate marketing, but I'm going to give you a free funnel completely. So you can take that funnel, run with it. It is based with Warrior Plus. You're going to get sales with Warrior Plus. I cannot guarantee that you're going to get sales with Warrior Plus, but it is teaching you the strategy and the process and the time and the effort that it's needed. It's completely true. I started from scratch and I'm able to do it. I see that my internet is a bit choppy, guys. I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to go through and still make this video. So as I said, it is just amazing to share my journey, and you can follow along if you want, or you can just learn the skill sets that are shared in that group. I go live every Sunday, and I think it's just beneficial in case you want to get the group as well. Obviously, there are going to be questions, so please answer those questions in order for you to get in the group. And I will, chat with you there. You can get in contact with me much more personally also through Facebook. But as I said, guys, let's go ahead and share this video on how you can actually track your affiliate marketing sales with Warrior Plus. So let's go ahead and share my screen. Okay, guys, so I'm here on Warrior Plus, and I wanted to show you that it is my Warrior Plus. So you'll see Tips with Dave at the side. That's how you know basically that it's me. And I'm sharing my back office. So this is nobody else's back office or anything like that. The second thing that I wanted to share with you is that I'm looking at April, in the month of basically March to April, so that you can see some of the sales. But basically, as I got these sales in the beginning of March, between March and April, I have a tracking code that's here. Okay, but before I go into actually sharing how you can add this tracking code and track everything, I just want to share with you my entire process. Okay, so hopefully this is going to give you an idea of what makes sense. I'm going to undo some stuff. I put many videos in the previous video that I made to share with you or emphasize the whole point, but actually we can leave it as is and you can see the rest. So basically, let me go ahead and share with you. This is the affiliate marketing formula that I have, okay, that I follow, which I think every single marketer needs to follow when they're getting started. So I believe that there are two phases to affiliate marketing. There's phase one, where you're learning these skill sets, where you're introducing yourself to the world of affiliate marketing and how much that, 85% of the companies all over the world, the most famous companies, every single brand that they own right now has an affiliate marketing element to it. Even the company that I work for example, has affiliate marketing in the structure itself. So you can be an affiliate of the company that I work for and share, the features, and you can get some commissions. Basically, it is a digital product, but it is a product that you can I think about 3 to 5% commission. So it's a low affiliate marketing product that you can get commissions on. But the same as Amazon affiliates, so many other platforms out there, guys. Even your banks have affiliate marketing as a business model. So it's not a strange business model, but you need to know the right things to do to start to generate those results. And the right things to do is traffic sources. So traffic sources and email marketing are the two skill sets that go hand in hand for affiliate marketers. If you're good at any of these traffic sources and email marketing, you're basically setting yourself up for a long-term growth with affiliate marketing. So this is the skill sets that's needed, right? The moment you have those skill sets, you're introduced to the skill sets, you understand those skill sets, you're making money from those skill sets, you can then now transfer it to create your own product, or you have your own business, let's say, and you can utilize these tools to help you market your business, to help you grow your business, to help you scale your business. And so that I think there are two phases to that. So you become your own affiliate, you become your own super affiliate basically as you grow along. So I'm going to give you an example. The skill sets that you learn, you can initially in phase one, I would say you can also start to outsource it. You can start to be your own. For example, you can be a consultant if you know paid traffic, just to give you an example, right? If you know paid traffic sources, let's use this. If you know paid traffic sources, then you can start to own your own agency with regards to paid traffic sources, because this builds an email list. If you know copywriting, now you can start doing copywriting for emails. You can do copywriting for blogs. You can do copywriting for many things. So there's skill sets that you learn, which are any which is applicable, and open your mind and opportunity so much more. If you're used to building a system, so landing pages and offers, you can start building these systems for physical companies, for shops in your local business area, and so on and so forth. Why? Because these systems allow you to get sales, but you're not focusing on the traffic. So each element of the skill sets that you're learning, I think, are super important for the entire formula. So learning the skill sets, phase one. And phase two is then owning your own product or service or offer, whatever you want to call it, and then utilizing these skill sets to help you. Okay, that's the journey that we're on. That's what I want to share with you, because you can focus on phase one for the rest of your life, or you can focus on both. I personally want to go from phase one to phase two. That's how I'm looking at it. So this is the formula that I use. Traffic sources, so free and paid, mainly paid for me. Free is just educating people, but paid is my main source. I send to an offer, which is basically on Warrior Plus. I send a landing page, which gets an email address and then sends to an offer. And then once the person makes a buying decision, they have to make a buying decision, then I make a sale. And 80% of that I personally put back into my traffic sources, because I use paid traffic sources. If you use free traffic sources, then you can keep 100% of the profit and move along, right? That's the beauty of it. It's really up to you. That being said, I use Warrior Plus. For example, over the last month that I have been promoting some offers in Warrior Plus, you can see that I've done $217 in sales, and I've earned commissions 126. So the people have purchased products of almost 217, just to give you guys an idea. And this is just one of the traffic sources, right? 217, and it shows commissions of 126. This is just to give you guys an idea of proof. But what we're focusing on here, you basically can use Warrior Plus. You can go to offers, give you an idea, right? I'm going to open this in a new tab, and you can get different offers. But how do you add this tracking code? How do I know that, for example, if the sale came from a Facebook link that I shared, or if the sale came from a Bing ad that I have, or a Google ad that I have, or a Facebook ad that I have? How do I know? So for example, this tracking code has MLGS, which is one of the traffic sources that I personally use to send traffic to Warrior Plus offers. So that's how I know that this sale came from my Lead Gen Secrets, which is the traffic source. But it's very simple. So let me share with you. If you go to offers, I'm going to go to approved offers and just give you a real life example, right? So one of the approved offers that I have is called RPM, or is the rapid profit machine. Okay, which is, let me open it, which is a really in-depth affiliate marketing system that has multiple things. And I like to use it not just for the system itself, because it converts really well, but also for the commissions that I can get. I am an affiliate, as you can see, and you get an affiliate link right here, right? So you have to request to be an affiliate, and then once you request to be an affiliate, you can get an affiliate link. Now, I'm going to leave a link to Rapid Profit Machine if you want in the description of this video, just because I'm showing it here. I own the product, so I would like to share it with you. That's going to be in the description, as I mentioned. Otherwise, you will just have a link to my main funnel, or my number one affiliate program, also in the description of this video, in case you want to see that as well. So that between the two, it's up to you. Now, what I want to show you is that if I go to link settings right here, there are a few things on Warrior Plus that you can see. One is the default link. And then if the product that you have has multiple offers or products within, sorry, let me just close this. You can see that the RPM funnel itself has 83, guys, 83 income streams, basically 83 products that they have. And let me show you so that you see. each of them you can get a commission. So first and foremost, it's a free system. So obviously if people get the free system, then you're not going to get paid anything because it's free, right? So it's zero. But the rest is traffic. Okay. And you can make commissions. You can see right here from the commissions, it's 10% commissions on pretty much everything except for a couple of things. There's 50% commissions here. Sorry, for the email sequence. And there's some more 50% commissions down here for products that are there, right? So there are a lot. There's a lot of products that you can find here, 83 specifically. Some are recurring. So if they have on the system, let me show you. For example, this right here is a recurring product. So if somebody gets Link Unlimited, Link Wizard Unlimited, for example, oh, these are all 0%. Sorry, these are all zero offers, I guess. Domain Leads Advanced, for example. Those are all free offers. Domain leads, for example, is costs 47 per month, which means you're making 23, it's 50% commissions, means you're making $23.50 commissions every single month. So imagine if you get just 10 people to have domain leads advance, you are basically making about $230 every single month on 10 leads, on 10 people who convert into sales, right? How do you get a link just for these one-off offers? If you go to link settings right here, you can see that you have your default affiliate link, which takes you to the initial step of the funnel, or you can click right here, default. And what we were looking at was Link Wizard. So no, sorry, it was domain leads. Okay, so for example, this right here, if I copy this and I add it to, let's go and add it to the browser. I go to it, it will take me to specifically domain leads. Okay, so let's just wait a second. Great, right, guys, here you can see that you can unlock your leads right here. I don't own this product, guys, okay, but this is just to give you an idea of what it works. It's basically, I believe, fresh leads. Yes, it generates fresh leads for you. We have ensured that detailed information leads available to you, and you can email them. Obviously, you will get powerful filters, verified phone numbers, a CRM that's there, and you can see how it looks and how it works, the conversions, how many people are using the platform, so on and so forth, the users, everything right here. And you can see the setup is all there. So you have $17, $47, which is what we were talking about, right? Or, sorry, let me just go here. Or you have $67 right here. That is the three offers. And you can actually see that in. So if they buy any of this, it's a monthly recurring payment because those are fresh leads that they're getting, and so on and so forth. So I'm just sharing with you how these products actually work. Okay, so this is how you can get specific links. Now, let's say that you are sending solo ads. Personally, I use the RPM funnel also for solo ads. So I'm going to go to click on solo ads right here. This is my link. For time purposes, I'm just going to copy it and add the link to a random Google Doc that I have open. And I want to show you how to share this. So how do you add tracking code here? First and foremost, let's unlink this because I want to edit it now. And so let's say that you're using YouTube as the main traffic source for specifically these solo ads. By the way, guys, if you do want to buy solo ads from this vendor, I'm going to leave this link in the description, so you can feel free to go ahead and check and get solo ads yourself. Also, it's really up to you. So I basically put /. So at the end of the link, you put / and you put, for example, in this case, I will put the YT new video, or I can type YouTube, whatever I want actually, or I can type YouTube, or I can just say YT to keep it simple for me to track it, right? So now I know that this works, okay? So if I go to this link, if you open this link, you'll see that it will show YT initially. YT, you can see right here in the link also, YT. But it takes you to the same page, which is the solo ad page itself. Okay, so it talks about solo ads here, and it talks about whether you can want to buy solo ads, you can buy 100%. It's all linked to you. So now if somebody goes here and buys the premium traffic and gets the quality traffic, by the way, this traffic is really good, it converts. If you do buy the premium traffic, what you will see in the results right here, what you will see is the tracking code will show YT. or YouTube or whatever you've typed there. How do you find these tracking? How do you find this in Warrior Plus itself? You basically go to affiliate and you go to transactions, and you will be able to add the tracking code. So for example, if I put MLGS only, okay, and let's put it even 2 months, let's go to February, okay, just to show you. This will pull out only the sales that I've made with MLGS. So this is only the sales that I've made with MLGS, not the whole amount. That there are other commissions also that you will be able to see, so which don't have the tracking code that you make commissions. So depending on whatever tracking code you put, in this case, I put MLGS. So that's why I'm getting only MLGS sales. If you want free products, you can see free products. If you want paid products, you can, whatever, it's really up to you to check it out. Okay, so for example, these are only paid products, and I think free products will also show. And if you obviously want to take this out, you can take this out. If you want to get the transaction report or sales report, you can always generate the sales report. But this is how you add a tracking link. You basically copy the link of your offer and then just / and add the whatever you want at the end. I hope this made sense for you guys. I hope it was a good training for you guys to understand, but this is what I follow personally, and this is how I'm making sales and tracking all my sales. So if I have a specific link in the description or anywhere that I'm deciding to send my traffic from my traffic, or if I'm building a funnel and I want to put it in my funnel and I want to make sure that I'm tracking that conversion of that step, then you can add this tracking code there. So hopefully this Warrior Plus affiliate marketing tutorial gave you a good idea of what this is. If you're interested in understanding how to actually make sales with affiliate marketing and Warrior Plus, my #1 affiliate marketing offer is in the description. I will also leave to RPM, which is a completely free offer. And you will also have solo ads in case you want to buy solo ads. All those 3 links will be in the description. Otherwise, I'm going to see you on the inside of my group in case you do decide to join. And remember, guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you're interested in these videos. I'm going to see you next week for a new video.